Actually, I was working on that. Just still, I am not able to see that. Let me check again because I have just installed Apache Tomcat on my laptop.
Okay.
So
Can you
let me.
we can figure that out?
Yeah, I am just sharing the screen.
Okay, sure. So, which project is it? It's Student DB or Pawan one?
Hello, I cannot hear your voice.
Okay, so
Huh?
I'm asking, in which project
Hello.
you're working? Is it the folder Pawan or the Student DB? Okay, so there are
Okay.
some errors. Can you open that? Open the source folder. Okay, okay, okay. Why there are errors in those?
I don't know. Before there was no error. Just I
Okay,
restart
no. Just open the model folder first. Open the model. In
model.
this, no, in this only you have. Okay, open the model one. Model below. Yeah, open it.
Mhm.
Okay, open student.java, student.java. Okay, see the error. Go to the top.
There is no error.
Okay, go to bottom. I think bottom.
It
Okay,
is there.
remove the comment. Remove the comment. Yeah. Now save it. Control S. Still it's showing error? No, it's
Yeah,
now
no,
all errors are gone,
no,
right?
no.
Okay. Now
Yeah,
try to
yeah.
run it. Right click on student DB. Run as. Run as. Yeah.
Now it's came.
Server. No, server. Yeah.
Huh?
Selection did not contain any user that can run and save. Okay. Go to others. Go to others. Yeah. Type here server. Yeah, we have it. Yeah, open. I think you don't have created any server. Okay. Can you maximize this? Maximize this.
We have to create the server, I think.
Yeah, maximize this folder on the circular one. Yeah, rectangle. Please maximize. Okay. Open the Apache. Yeah.
Hmm.
Go down and select the Tomcat one. Go down. Go down. Yeah, select
Which
anyone.
one?
Go down. Latest version. Latest version. Yeah. Yeah. Click on next. Uh, just a minute. Let me just. Okay. Click on download and install. Click on download and install. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Remember the location. Save it on desktop.
Hmm?
Okay. Any folder. Just keep that folder. Remember that folder. Okay. Now. Okay. Okay. Now it's done. What? Are you doing it again? Okay.
No.
No worry. No worry. Click on next now. Okay. We don't have it. Click on finish. Click on finish first. We'll see later.
Now it's showing. Now it's showing. See.
Okay. Stop. Okay. Just wait. Just wait. Wait. Wait.
Huh?
Just
Can we
wait.
do it
What is
again?
it? Is it started or stop instead?
It's an I think stop state. I need to start here. I think it was in start state only. I restarted. It's okay.
Okay.
Let, mm,
Okay. I think it is started, right?
yeah.
Okay. Can you type on the Google the URL? Let's see if it's giving me something or not.
Which URL?
In the Chrome, go to localhost colon 8000
Okay,
slash
okay.
API. That
Yes.
one. Okay. Do I have shared you with the yeah? Check localhost is working or not. Yeah. First click on that one.
9,000 or
Is it
what?
9000 or 8000? You check your Tomcat. You can maximize this. Okay. You can double click on that.
I clicked already. Now we can see here ports HTTP
Um,
8080.
8080. Yes. Go to 8080 only. Um, 8080. Okay.
Hmm.
Type here slash whatever what URL we have. I forgot. It's slash API something. Slash API slash users. I forgot. It's not sure. Go to the controller file. In that must be have written. Let me find meanwhile.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Pavash, writing in the chat. Please check that. Just a minute. Yes. I don't know why I'm not able to write on the chat. Is it visible?
Okay, just you can let me know. That's
Okay, is it in white color? That's why. Just a minute.
well, 404 it is coming for this.
Okay, can you see here? Written that in chat. Copy that from the chat.
I have opened. See, this is showing in 404 again. Student
Oh,
management API students.
Why is it happening? Okay, let's see if maybe so. Is it not working?
No.
Okay, all the open the config files, all config are settled. Open the config
Which config?
and the
Okay.
package one. Okay, so you have app config. Mhm. Okay, let me check mine. So let me open one. Maybe some issue you are having. Okay, let me try running my first. Okay,
Okay. Can you
I
share?
don't know why it's showing run. I don't know mine as well. Okay, run as well. Let's try. Okay, download is started. Let me just check it. Give me 1 minute.
Can you share the screen?
Yeah, sure. This is started. Let me just put it first. Okay, is it working on mine? Let me just share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen now? Just a minute. Let me share it. Is this visible to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can see this. It's coming like this. That means it's working, right? If you send some data, okay, it will work.
Then what is the difference here?
Okay, check it. Okay, let's see. Okay,
Can you
first
check
thing,
the?
yeah, I'm just checking it. Okay, so first thing you need to make sure is, let's see, you have these config file, right? App config, web config, and vim initializer, right? Just check it.
I have four files. I don't
Four
know.
files. Which one is
One.
extra?
No, no, three files only. One is package info. That is fine.
Remove that one. Delete that one. If it's not required, delete that. Okay. First thing is your model. In model, you should only have a student.java file. Do you have it?
In model, I have student.java. Yeah, fine.
And not any other file, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If we have, just remove that. Okay.
Yeah.
Then, so go step by step. First model. Then we have DAO class. In DAO, we
Yeah.
have two things: student DAO and student DAO implementation. Both done.
Yeah, there is some. One second. In the student DAO, there is some. Can you see my screen? Can I say?
Okay. Okay. Let me allow. You can let me stop my. You can share now.
So why it is showing I sign?
Oh, you can ignore that. It's not a big issue.
Okay. So that is fine. I have two files. In the next, can you check?
Okay.
Um,
So let me. Okay. So remove that package info one in the controller as well. Remove that. Let me check the spelling of the folders which you have student
the
app.
app config, I have three files. In the model, I have one file,
Okay.
student
So
dot
do you have application.properties?
application dot properties. I have what can you see the file? Is this
Yeah.
correct?
Open it. Open it. Open it.
Yeah,
So you have copied from the doc, right?
yeah,
Okay. So then pom.xml is correct. Pom.xml.
yeah.
You don't have. Okay. So
In the
I
pom
don't think
dot
so.
XML, I have the 97 lines. What about in your file? How many lines are there?
In pom, I have 101.
101. So
Let me.
starting from first,
Yeah, 12101. Let me share in the chat. Where is the chat? I don't think if I'm able to post.
can you post in the same the last time you pasted?
Doc, can you share the
Yeah,
doc link in the chat again?
okay.
Yeah, I will quickly paste there. I don't know why it's not. It's not working. It should be working. Because mine is working and I shared my files only, right? Uh-huh, uh-huh. Got the file, I think. Okay, it's the name with Java, right? The doc.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, so let me just check. I think maybe I've shared you the wrong format XML, or I haven't shared with you.
No, you have shared it is here, but I think
Okay,
something is missing in that.
maybe let me share the. So check in the doc at the end. I just pasted. Why it's not visible? Mhm. Let me copy it again.
I think something is missing here in the poem only.
Why it's not pasting?
97 is still 97 only.
I haven't pasted it. Why it's
I
not? It's not allowing me to paste. Can you check at the bottom of the code?
Yeah, it is here.
Yeah, copy that and try.
So I think two lines are blanks before. Oh,
No, no, ignore that. Ignore that. Paste it.
it's
Save.
still the same. Hmm. Let
Uh,
me try to run again. Let's see.
okay, maybe the empty spaces are not coming. That's fine, maybe.
Now server is not coming. What happened?
Okay, do one thing. Refresh your project. Okay, first refresh it. Yeah, then clean the project as well. Click on project on the top header. There's a project, right? In the header section, see project.
Hmm.
I think it's already started. You have to stop the server first. Red one, or restart the server. Maybe anything. Stop the server.
Now it is showing this port is I mean in use or
Okay,
something.
try that Chrome again. Hmm, refresh it. Still same.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. You maybe have the different project name, no?
Project name same student DB.
No, 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 no. You have student DB. I have student management. Go back to the URL.
Okay, okay.
In the URL in the Chrome.
Mm-hmm.
No need to worry about this. Here instead of student management, write student DB. Yeah, still same. Okay, you have stopped the server. Start it again. Server is stopped. Yeah, yeah. Now try that. It is started. Yeah, now try. Hmm. Why it's just coming like that? Okay, just give me 1 minute. Hmm. Your folders are looking different little bit. Open. Oh, okay, just a minute. Why target folder is not coming? Open the target. Your target is empty. This is not proper folder structure for the web development.
I
Something
think
is
I have created, but it's not.
something is different. I don't know why.
The target
When
folder target
when
folder is not
when
complete
you
now.
created a project, have you selected a var instead of the jar?
Yeah, yeah, I selected var.
Then why is it okay? You have okay. So what is this index.jsp? Why it's coming like this in source name web app?
I think this is
Okay,
fine.
this is fine, right? Are you running the server on this application or normally you're running it? Can you stop the server? Stop the server. Don't worry. Stop the server. Stop it. Yeah. Now right click on the project. Right on the project on the no in the below. Here student DB. Right click on that. Yeah. Go to run as server option is not showing, na? Click on
No,
run configuration. Yeah. Here select that. Yes. Select this Tomcat server. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Click on run.
I think it is not able to resolve the
No. Just
dependencies.
wait. Just wait. Wait. Can you try now? Go to the Chrome back. Still same.
Yeah,
Can you try the previous URL? Go back to the Chrome, undo it, student management one. You try this. No, same.
Uh, is there any mismatch? Somewhere you have declared the student management in the files.
That is
Here
the
I
name of
am.
that.
Huh?
But it should work with this. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me share my folder if possible. Okay, try running that. Is it in the code or in something else? Okay, let me just zip it and share with you. Okay. Mhm.
There is still some issue with the Tomcat server actually. We need to, I think we need to change the port of this Tomcat server.
Is it showing the busy?
Yeah, it was showing some error before. Can I change to this? Now let's see. 9,000.
What was the error coming profile? Let me see this. Couldn't launch
Could
in
not launch
profiling
in
mode.
profiling mode because no profilers are configured.
Launch. Okay. Try changing the port as well. Let's see.
I changed the port actually. No. I think, Abhishek, I will try to do this. I mean, after class, can we move ahead for next? It's possible. Or can we debug this? What should we do? Hello? Hello?
Sorry, I was speaking on a mute. Just what are you saying?
I'm asking, can we debug right now this, or can we debug it later and we can move ahead for next?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
should we?
I was just sharing you the zip file of the mine, okay, so that you can try running that, okay. So at least
Mhm.
that is also a copy of that project at least, right? So just a minute, let me just finding the location and sharing with you, okay?
They are on the same, I think, on that Java docs like that. Hello?
Yeah, I'm
Have
audible.
you shared the that?
No, no, no. I just let me zip the file.
Yeah.
Okay, can you do one thing in the meanwhile? Can you open your? You have a Google Drive, right?
Hmm?
You have a drive, Google Drive, right?
Space is not there for it.
No space.
Yeah.
I thought I can get access of one port. I can upload on that, right?
Actually, you cannot upload on this chat. This zip file.
Let me. It's maybe of the bigger size. I don't
I
think so.
think
Let me.
zip file you can upload. It's
Okay, let me
possible.
try that. Okay, let me try. Just give me one. Mm, mhm. This person. Okay, I should try that. It's loading. Just wait for 1 minute.
You have shared file. Hello.
Yes. I Just loading. Just give me a few minutes. It's loading. It's taking time.
Hello.
Yes. Is it done? Are you able to receive
Yeah,
that?
I extracted which file need to upload? Project, class path, which one?
No, no, no. Just go to your Eclipse.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Or click on File, Import, Import below. Yeah, import. Click on Maven. Click on existing Maven project. Yeah, and just now browse and go to the location in which you have saved the folder.
Should I
I hope
take
you
that?
have I
Uh,
have extract that zip file, right?
I extracted that. I was checking which file I need to take. Which
The
one?
whole.
All.
Back, go back.
This
Yeah,
one.
just select the folder. Yeah, that's it. Click on finish. Below finish. Below. Yeah, yeah. Is it open? Click on open that project.
Actually, still running. This is showing green now. Now it's okay, I think. Mm. Now I think for both I can do run a server. No, it is still not showing. Your project is showing run a server, but my project is not showing.
Okay, try it running. At least try to run it. Your folder steps is also different. I don't know why. Yeah, start it. Finish. Why canceling it?
Hmm?
Why canceling it?
No, not
Just a
canceling.
minute.
Start.
Just a minute. I'm having call. Just a minute.
Hello. Hello. Are you there? Hello.
Hi, Pawan. I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I was on a call. Yeah, what
I
are you
will
saying?
tell you the difference is this target folder na, in your there are multiple things are there, but in here in target nothing is there. This is the problem.
But is mine one is working perfectly?
Your one is also not working still.
Okay, show me the Chrome output. What is you getting? Chrome.
So,
Uh, Chrome one. Okay. No, no, you have changed the port number now.
no, it is same. I reverted.
Listen.
Reverted.
Mhm. Why not is working? I don't know. Okay, do one thing. Remove that Tomcat server. Delete it. Right click and delete it. Delete it. Yeah. Okay. Now click on the folder. Student management. Student management. Right click.
Hmm.
Yeah. Run on server. Run as. Run as. Uh, run on server. Run on server. Yes. Okay. Maximize this. Maximize this. Okay. Click on Apache.
Hmm.
Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Click on 10.1. Hmm. Click on next. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's working. Okay. Wait. Just wait. Click on finish. Um.
Not working, no?
Okay. Just add at next APS on that one. Complete URL.
Not working.
I don't know why it's not working.
Because see, this is not resolved, no? This should not come. If it is
What is
coming, it
error here
means
coming? What's the error coming? Can you maximize it?
can we
Server
do the
version.
debug here?
Yeah. No. Just me read the lines. What is coming? Can you maximize it? On which window version you are, or on your Mac?
Window.
Window 10.
Yeah, window 10 or 11 something.
Okay. Okay. Let me see the logs. Can you go back? Put Eclipse. That's fine. That's fine. I got the idea. Okay. Can you go to the Eclipse?
It's window uh,
No.
64,
Go to that is fine. Go to Eclipse.
window 10 home. Yeah.
Okay. Go to Eclipse.
Hmm.
Okay. Let me. Okay, can you maximize these logs? On the top here is the option. On the top. Left, right side. Yeah. Right. Below. Below. On the above the logs only. Mm. Yeah. On the right side of that. Right. A little right. It's left. Yeah. Right one to this. Right. This is left. No. Yeah. This one. Maximize this. Yeah. Okay. Let me read this off. Server version. Look. Okay.
Port related issue because I seen one in starting one error came that this port is already in use like something.
Go down. Let me read it. Now. Let me read it. How can I else?
Double listener.
Go down. Go to the bottom. Mm, um, Go down. You
J-
have Java JDK version installed, right?
Yeah, it is installed already. The Apache Tomcat native library which allows
No,
you
no,
to
no.
was not found. See, this is the main error. Was not found in
Um,
Java library path. I think we need to add the registry or somewhere directory something.
mm, Let me see. Okay. Do one thing. Copy the logs and add in the chat or in the doc if possible.
Okay.
I will figure that out. Okay.
I think this
Go
one
down, go down. What did you say? Go down.
is not
Hi,
there.
Pavan, can you go down? Yeah.
Wave.xml, it is telling to check this.
Mm,
App is not mapped or deployed properly.
it's not there. It's not there. Okay. Replace the your app name just with the student management. Yeah.
You mean,
Yeah. This with one
hmm?
student
Yeah,
management hyphen management. Yeah.
I think I should here in the URL, you mean?
Yeah. Yeah. This in this only student management hyphen management and then search. Yeah.
I think we can go from here only. It is here. File.
No, no. Web.xml we need to find. No, not this. We need to find web.xml, right? Check the URL which we need to find. Open the notepad.
Yes. Yeah, it is not there.
Yeah. Find it. It's not there.
Yeah, it's not there.
Mm.
So it means this because see, output is not generated. It's not mapped correctly.
That means your app is not properly deployed. That's why.
Hmm?
Your app is not properly deployed. That's why it's not showing the output
Yeah,
correct.
yeah.
Hmm.
So I
Your
think
the code is correct. Maybe it's not deploying properly. What are you doing?
I'm just seeing make sure your wire is deployed because still it's not deployed. So are there any error in application or try accessing this? Check if you are compatible with Tomcat and using Jakarta E and package name change from Java EX.INET to Jakarta. If you
Go
are
down, go down, go down, go down. Okay, okay, okay. Go down, go back, go back.
I think we should share this one.
Go to Eclipse, Eclipse, go to Eclipse,
Hmm?
go to Eclipse,
Okay.
Eclipse, Eclipse.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can you click on student management? Right click on that. Student management. Right click on that. Click on run as.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, click on run as server. Okay, don't choose existing one. Click on the new one. Manually define a new server. Click on that. Yeah. Click on Apache. Click on that Apache. Yeah. Choose a version lower one. Select the 9191. Let's try 91999. Yeah. Click on next now. Yeah. Click on download and install. Download and install. Download and install. Yeah. Click on finish. Yeah. Click on save it on desktop or something. Downloads wherever you want to. Downloads. Downloads. Click on downloads wherever you want. Don't select this. It will install. Yeah. Yes. Now click on uh, install GRE. Install GRE. Click on install GRE. Yeah, click on finish. Click on finish. Click on finish. Click on finish. Okay, remove that server, na 10th one. Sorry, 10 one. Yeah, delete that server above one. Yeah, delete it. Yeah, now start the below one. Hmm. Okay, check the Chrome again. Oh, no, it's not.
Okay, let's do one thing. Paste
No, no,
this.
no, what is output getting? Just let me show it. Can you?
It is telling wrong context path. Where is Tomcat home?
Where you have saved it? When you click on that, na, downloads. Remember? So you have selected the path. This
It is telling there should be wave apps. Wave apps is there. It is fine. In this also. Now it is stopped. It is there. So this is okay. And so var file name is either file is named either var file.
but you don't have any right?
No,
You can write here no such file is present. In web app folder.
WPP.
But we did that, right?
Yeah, it is.
Mm,
Some plugin Eclipse should auto deploy your app to plugin or this is WTP web access.
uh, click on method B, manual one. Try that one.
Where what to do now?
Export. I think export you have to do, no? Export. I think export as a var file. Maybe go to the web. So web. Search on that. Search. You will get it. Yeah, this one. Yeah, next. Select the destination or browse the destination. Browse the destination. Browse. Option on the right. Yeah. Where it say you need to have inside the web app, right?
Yeah, same.
Inside the web app.
Where you
It's a
need to save 1 second.
check the chat GPT inside the web app, I think.
Now restart Tomcat. Apache Tomcat bin
Have you added
start.
that file?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's start.
Oh, saved on wrong path. I should save on this. No, no, I saved on correct path. It's fine. So where is bin file? Bin is here, and just telling this startup.bat. Where is the startup? It is here. Open. Hmm.
Okay, so is it working for one or not?
No, actually, this no
Mhm.
XML
Okay,
file also checked. It is available in this folder.
okay, I
Where
think you can try that later, otherwise it will take a lot of more time.
okay, yeah, I will try it later. I will try to resolve, and you can continue, please. The next.
Yeah, yes, else it okay, so if you are not able, then see what we can do from our best. Okay, otherwise, so we can shift to some other platform. Okay, so we have other option as well if it's the issue with Eclipse. Okay, but let's see. Okay, what is causing it? Have you shared the logs with me?
Yeah, I share
Where
on the. I try
on
to.
where?
I will. I try to share over
Okay,
this.
do one thing. By the end of day, I will make that doc editable. Okay, at the bottom you can add the logs. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
great, fine. So let me. So have you tried creating one more project as I told you?
No, not tried any other. I was working on this only, and
Okay, no worry. So try creating one more additional project. Okay,
yeah,
so that you can get an idea of what to write. Okay. So
yeah,
apart from running the project, I hope everything is clear, right? Or
yeah,
the files, right? It's pretty straightforward, right?
yeah.
Okay, let's say when we have something of data, okay, how basically the thing is how it manipulating that, right? So let's say data, we have a student data, right? So that is our model. Okay,
Mm,
so to perform any of the code operation, firstly we create a DAO files, right? In
mm.
DAO file also we have the, let me share my screen as well. I think I'm talking in the, yeah, okay, like this one. I also see these messages. I don't think so it's causing any error, as you can see, right?
Which one?
These red ones.
Yeah, yeah, it's there in your this one. See, I
Uh,
said the logs also. You.
Mine is Apache Tomcat, this one. Then it's a Windows 11. Then I don't think so. So you received till this message, right? Server initialization in this second.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you received this
You have
message?
Tomcat 9 or 10.1?
I think it's Tomcat 9.0.89. I don't think so it will cause any issue, but are you receiving the logs till this?
Yes. Mm.
The Spring Boot web application context till this? Mm, mm, then I don't think so. Why it's causing the issue? Okay, so I was talking that, and let's figure this out later. Okay, so firstly, you don't have the data, right? Let's say in our situation is it is this one, like the student, right? So we have the student ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, right? So let's
Mm.
take a different scenario. So which scenario you want to pick? Yes, tell me.
1 second. You
Let's say
have
we
what?
have,
Mm-hmm.
let's say in this project we're working with students, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's think of another scenario. So what scenario you want to pick?
Here we are dealing with the student data. We can use the employee in any of the company XYZ, or we can write the name T.
Employee will be very identical to the students, I think, right?
Okay. Let's take the that like railway
Something.
registration, like a ticket reservation, like something like that.
Okay, so for that we need to make a form. Okay, we can do that. Okay, so what you're taking for railway registration, right?
Yeah, railway registration, the
Okay, so
ticket
in that,
registration.
what information you want to store?
We need to store the name of the ticket that and his Aadhaar card or anything ID proof. It should
Okay,
be.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, let's say you
See,
want
if
to book a ticket. Okay,
Aadhaar card,
so
let's suppose we are
oh,
putting the Aadhaar card, so it should be unique. If any duplicate or something is there, it can be it should throw some error like that.
perfect. So you want to store, let's say we will be having the ID, okay, and then we can have the your Aadhaar card, okay, the
Mm.
source and the destination, right?
Yeah, source
And the
name
time
and
and the
destination. Let's
timing as
suppose,
well for the source and destination, right?
yeah, let's suppose from Delhi to Lucknow or Delhi to Mumbai, like that.
That and so corresponding time as well, right? And the status as well, right?
Yeah, yeah, status as well.
Okay. Sometimes there's a delay on time or something, right? Okay, so for the each of that field, okay, you have to
Either see,
identify, okay, which
one more is this is I think a little complex. So if we can do like the admission of engineering is in engineering college is admission of the student name and the branch and the course opted like BTech or MBA or MCA like that. That also we can.
okay, let's okay, that is again very similar to students on. I want something different. Like, okay, let me think. Let's say products you can take, or you can take off.
E-commerce website, you mean?
Yeah, like that. You can have different products, now. For each product, you can take
Yeah.
ID,
Let's
their
take
dimension,
le-
description, name of the product, price of
yeah.
the product, right? Like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take the e-commerce website like
Okay, then you can
some
take for
card.
that. Okay, so you can take a table for the product. Okay, for the product. Okay, then you can take ID of the product, name of the product, price of the product, description of the product, rating of the product, like that. Okay,
Hmm.
then you can apply the conditions, nullable, unique, and so on. Okay, I think you can create that. You can define the type as well, is a string or long or something, right?
Okay.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, so mostly changes you need to do in the model only. Okay, rest files mostly will remain the same, right? Then you will add a constructor to initialize all the values. Then you had to add a getter and setter. It's very straightforward, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then first do this one for the product one. Then go for the DAO. In DAO, just define all the functions which you need. Okay, to save the product, to get all products, to get particular product, to update the product, to delete the
Abhishek,
product.
just can I take 1 minute just sorry for
Sure, sure. No,
disturbance.
worries. Just
So
let me know once you're back. Okay.
yeah, yeah, 1 minute just on.
Sure, sure.
Hello, hello.
Yes, Pawan.
Yes, I'm back.
Okay. So what I'm saying is you just have to modify the name here, right? Nothing else. Save products, get all products, get product by ID, update product, delete product, right?
Yeah. Do
Nothing.
we need to create one table in the DAO or DAO student or DAO product DAO? We need to create one table in this or no
Which
need?
table?
Any table will require
No, 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 no. We
product table.
that we have this class, no? This resemble to a table in database, right?
Okay.
So we'll get a
Mm-hmm.
model class here for product that will
Okay.
present a table, okay, with the name product and which each column you can specify, right? ID, name, price, rank, something, whatever you want to add, right? Okay. And implementation. Okay, basically, in I told you we're working with H2, right? That's why you don't need to write the queries here, right?
Hmm.
That's why if you like, let's say we have a actual database like SQL or MongoDB, then you have to write the queries, complete queries, okay, SQL queries. Here we just need to use the inbuilt method, right? I told you to use save method, okay, get method, update method, create query method. Inbuilt method we have to perform the CRUD operations, right? Similarly, you have to perform here as well, okay? So this change, you just have to modify the name of the methods, nothing else, okay? Okay, same in the controller also. You just calling the, so in first in DAO you perform actual CRUD operations. Okay, and then in the controller you just call those functions. Okay, and actually you have specifying the request you are accepting. Okay, so basically you have four type of requests: get request to get the data, post request to create the data, put request to update, and delete to delete the request, right? So you
Hmm.
will specify that which type of request you are having. So let's say I am slash API slash students, right? At this I am having the post request, okay, to create a student. Okay, then what you will do, you just call the function, right, of the this controller service class, right? Same thing.
Hmm.
So it's nothing that tough. Okay, you just have to modify the method's name a little bit. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that's easy, I think. So all these files you can copy paste directly, right? Application.properties, okay, in which has database configurations and app configuration, right? Same thing here. Okay, web configurations. I think you're having issue with this file. That's why it's not coming. Let's check with this. And then in a web visualizer, you're just starting both this web app config and web config. Okay. Okay, so just think only I think to check is your model file. Okay, because rest file you need to just copy paste and just change the methods. Okay.
So
Okay.
whichever program I should do, railway ticketing or that student that
Any of your choice. Any of your choice. Okay. Okay.
mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
So what you can do is, okay, just create the project and you can send me zip file. I will run on my PC. It will work. Okay. Then I can check it if it's working fine or not. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Meanwhile, if
you
your
mean
issues are not resolved,
you
okay.
mean for
And
the
tomorrow I want to start with a Spring Boot project. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So firstly, I will explain the concept of Spring Boot, and I will make sure we run it simultaneously, right? So if there is an issue, it will be resolved at early moment, right?
Okay,
So
so
I will start by
one
making
thing,
project
Abhishek,
on.
1 second.
Mhm.
Uh, for the new project, tomorrow I will not. So, but this current one, I will try to debug and I will try to discuss with you if everything resolved. But for the new
No,
project, I will show you in the next class,
no,
next.
no, 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 no. What are you talking about? I'm saying I need to start a new topic. For that, I will create a new project. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, okay, no issue. Yeah.
Any misunderstanding? You don't need to do anything for that.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, what you need to do is that you just need to create the model file for this project.
The new one or the current one?
Now, for this, either the product one, for the product one only.
Okay,
Okay,
model files I will create, not an issue. It's okay.
yeah, because REST file will remain the same, right? Just need to just change in the method. Okay, okay. Then
Yeah,
you will send me those zip file. I will run it and check if it's fine or not, right?
okay.
Okay, and tomorrow I'm saying after that we will start with a Spring Boot. Okay, that when we start teaching, I will make sure that you will run simultaneously. So okay, so that if any issue will resolve it in the early moment. That's what I'm saying, because at the end it is really tough to identify that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, and I will since when we use Spring Boot nights, comparatively easier. Okay, you will see it. Okay. Okay. So can you quickly create the model file and send me the zip? I don't think it's hardly take. You just have to copy. Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I will say. Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah.
Actually, I will show you one thing also before going
Sure,
on
sure.
that. Mm. Can you see my screen? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Actually, in this,
Mm-hmm.
I will tell you.
Yeah, if you have doubt in any of the topic, let me know.
See, like this one, reflection API, this was not covered by her. And this socket programming also not. And this collection is covered. Applets
Okay,
also.
socket programming is very interesting. Okay, so have you observed when we use WhatsApp or any that chat application? It's mostly we use socket functionality in that. Okay, so there
Yeah,
is server that is listening, right? So we can send the message, receive the message. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
okay,
yeah.
we can create an interesting project on the same socket one.
Yeah, socket programming applets and regarding GDBC, she just given the overview like
Okay, you not have
DDL.
done any project regarding
No,
GDBC?
no project. She was telling she will give some project or you can check from internet. Then on the same day, the class, I mean, from the next week, the next class, she not taken the class actually. She
Okay,
just
no
took
worries. So okay, so what we'll do? Okay, you have a basic idea of MySQL, right, or SQL?
MySQL. Yeah, I have the idea, and GDBC also she given some
Even if you don't have okay, can you repeat what you said?
uh, MySQL, I have some idea and
Mhm.
some overview she given on the GDBC, but she told she will give some project, but that was then after that the class was cancelled from her side or like due to some busyness, so I don't know for what.
No worry, Pawan, no worry. So let me
So
do one thing
I
tomorrow. Tomorrow we
yeah,
will create a one project of GDBs. It's very easy. Okay, it
yeah.
hardly take
So
30
that's
minutes. Okay.
आई एम शोइंग यू बिकॉज सी मैं आपको इसलिए दिखा रहा हूँ कि बिफोर मूविंग टू स्प्रिंग और ऑल दोज
Yeah, yeah. I
थिंग्स.
also don't want that you start with an advanced topic and when you're not comfortable with the previous topic, right? So once
Yeah,
you are confident with the existing topics, then it's better to shift to the next topic, right? So
yeah,
don't be in a hurry, okay, of come
yeah.
rushing the topics. First, get a good grasp of the existing topic. Then it's good, good, very good. Yeah, and, good point to let me know. Okay. Anything
So
else? Anything other topics which you think you're not confident enough?
no, socket programming C not covered, applet C not covered, GDBC project work is not done. So tomorrow either you can start GDBC project or
Sure, sure. No worry. Okay, we'll do
either
one project
socket.
with JDBC. For
Yeah.
that, I hope you have a MySQL setup on your local or no?
MySQL I will do, not a problem. I will do MySQL setup.
Okay, no worry. We can
Community,
do in the class as well.
I
It will
need to,
take 10 to 15 minutes for that local setup. Just check on type search on your local if you have MySQL or not.
MySQL I will community install, I will install now, not a
I
problem
need
after the class.
workbench, MySQL workbench. No worry. I will give the instruction. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, please write the instruction on that Java, that Google Docs,
Okay.
I will
For the
do.
installation part, I will upload that on the doc. Just refer that, and
Yeah,
else we can do in the class. I think it will just take 5 to 10 minutes to do
yeah.
that. So
So
after
this
that,
one.
you can do one
And I
JDBC
think
project.
in this
Mhm.
advanced core Java, I think you are covering this. What you are Spring MVC you are doing right now, this Java framework currently,
Mhm. Yes,
if
yes.
I'm not.
Start with Spring MVC,
And
right?
regarding this advanced core Java, not covered anything in this.
Not covered.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't have idea about that. I supposed to start from the MVC actually. No worry. Just
Okay,
yeah.
maybe.
Thank glad you have shown me. I will make sure we'll connect covered it, right?
You see, in core Java only basic this one, na, this first.
I think the below topics will be covered in one way or other because these all are part of the projects which we're going to do, right?
Advanced core
Yes.
Java. But if you will give some overview, at least
Yeah,
a
yeah.
little bit.
It's necessary to give the
Yeah,
overview. That's
yeah.
then only you will understand the project, right? If you not have
Otherwise,
an overview, then you will not be easy for you to understand.
yeah.
No worry, we'll give it. No worry, no worry.
So advanced core Java is not covered. And one second. Why I'm showing you, because you will be aware actually what is covered or not covered.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will think that I
So
have
you
done
have to
every.
tell me on the very first day, right? So this is thing
Yeah,
is left. Can you
yeah.
first cover those before moving to the next? Why
And
you not told me
this
earlier?
this Spring MVC you are doing now, and this Hibernate you will do after. I mean, Spring Boot and these things you will
Okay,
do.
so these things are very interrelated. MVC, Hibernate,
Yeah,
Spring Boot, right? So it's
yeah,
like a interrelated. Okay, so we can make couple of projects so that we can cover all this, right?
yeah,
So when at the end you will see all these topics are covered, right?
yeah,
Okay, now worry. Okay, tomorrow we'll do DGBC project then. Okay,
yeah. So for now,
yeah. If there is time left, we can start with the concept of the. socket as well. Socket
Yeah,
one is
yeah.
easy, I
You
think.
can start, I think, now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
depending on
please.
the time.
Yeah, yeah, please. We have the time still.
Yes. So, can you just share me the screenshot as well for the upcoming topics which is left? Okay.
I will share you this document itself, but I am not able to. I mean, I am not. Okay, you mean this screenshot of this? Okay, one
Okay.
second.
Okay. I'll see you can share in the chat itself this PDF file.
But in chat, I am not able. I will to share you one to one because in chat, I am not able to do. I am
Why?
not. I am not having the permission actually.
Okay, let me give you the permission. Let me just give me one. Settings. Mm, I think I need to make you a host for that, maybe. Okay. Allowed to multi-one put anything. No worry. I think I'm also the co-host. That's why I can't give the. No worry. You. I will make that doc editable. I will. You can add the screenshot at the end. Okay.
No, so see,
That'll be easy.
I will share you one by one to one, not an issue. I think you are in the group. What is your number in that group? Number?
You.
Abhi, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. I will share. Okay. I will share the chat else.
Okay.
No worry.
You got the message, no?
Yeah.
So, this is socket.
I will also ask about the team that these topics are left, so we need to cover that. So yeah, don't worry. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else?
Uh, no. Oh,
Okay. So you can do that quickly. One that product one. Okay, just do that quickly and share with me. Okay.
hmm.
It hardly take 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. Okay, Pawan.
So you mean I should do that folder structure for that?
Yeah, at least you can make the that file, the model file now in 10 to
Yes,
15 minutes that you can
yes.
share. Okay, rest you can do it. Okay, and I think before tomorrow class you can share with me the zip file. Okay,
What
then
about socket
tomorrow.
programming? You will cover later or
Yeah,
tomorrow?
yeah, no, no, tomorrow only. Okay,
Okay.
first we make a project for JDBC. Okay, it hardly take I think 1 hour. Then the remaining 1 hour we can take one project for the socket, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and by making the project, I will explain theoretical concept. If this is required in the we will take one more lecture, or tomorrow we can take a a longer class if you are available, depending on your availability. No worry. Okay, we'll see how things go. Don't worry. Okay. For now, just complete the model file and share me.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, great. Let me know.
Abhishek, I have one question. Hello, hello.
Yeah, yeah, Pawan,
When
continue.
we are creating new Maven project, in that case, in the during that time, if we will give the group ID, artifact ID, and name the say, I mean the product catalog. I am giving the name of the project.
Okay, so
So
when you give the you have the two things, group ID and the artifact ID, right?
yeah, yeah.
So group ID, you can give something like this, com dot something like we have general syntax, so com dot example, right? It's an organization we have, right? Organization structure.
Com dot product.
No, no, com dot you can give, let's say it's e-commerce or something, right?
Yeah,
Okay, and then within that, the project we have the project name, right? So for this project, what you can take?
product catalog.
Yeah, that's fine. So com dot e-commerce dot product catalog. The full will be that. It's fine. Okay.
Dot product dot catalog.
No, no. Up top one is com dot e-commerce. Below one you can write product catalog.
Okay.
Yeah, and make sure to use var here.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, Pawan, done.
Yeah, yeah, created actually. Uh,
Okay, you can share me in the chat.
I am showing you the screen.
Okay.
I will share you the
Okay, you
chat.
have done all the files.
Yeah,
Okay, I just need the show me the that one model one.
but inside nothing is
Eh?
there.
Oh,
I
you have
need
to
to.
copy paste the content, na?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, show me the that file product one. Have you created that content or no?
No content still need to pay
Oh, you have
that
created the
change.
folder structure.
Yeah, folder
Okay,
structure
that is
only.
fine. And now you're able to get that one,
Which one?
that which is earlier not visible on your project. The targeted one. Now it's visible.
Target. Let me check.
Folder. Earlier it's not showing, na?
Yeah, let me.
Now it's showing. Maybe after writing the prompt XML, it will become
Oh,
visible.
it's still not.
See, your target is empty. Still it's empty.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, write the prompt XML. Maybe after that it will work. Okay, let's see. Something is missing. I think you need to change the perspective. Maybe. Okay. In the top, you have the option for the perspective, right? Go to the window. Open the window.
Hmm.
Yeah, perspective. Below.
Hmm.
Open perspective. Click on that. You need to customize. Okay, we'll see that. I think we need JEE for this. No worry. Okay, um, so I told you to create the for the model one. You have not created that.
No, I'm doing it actually.
Okay, just complete
I
that and it will go.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Yeah, I will complete and I will let you know.
No worry. If you want to do it later, you can do it. Okay.
Yeah, later
You
I
can
will
show
do
me.
it, I
You
think.
can show me tomorrow. That's not an issue. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I will complete it today. Tomorrow I will show you. Yeah.
Sure. Any whatever you're comfortable with. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, I have some interview also on
No
Monday.
worry.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm
You
preparing
can.
for that also actually.
Okay. For what role?
It is for some cloud related GCP cloud.
Okay. So you have experience with that, or you are applying as a fresher,
No, I have experience on GCP cloud.
not on the AWS.
AWS also I know, but more experience on both. I have experience GCP as well as AWS both.
Okay, that's fine. Great. Okay. No worry. You can prepare for interview. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. No worry.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Bye,
So
Pawan. All the best.
yeah, I will complete this and tomorrow I will show you this one.
Sure. Sure.
If any question, I will discuss. Okay. If you want to take some, I mean some on this socket programming, then you can.
No, no, we'll do it tomorrow itself. Okay. I
Okay,
want to do in a one shot. Okay.
sure, sure, sure.
So, great.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thanks. Okay.
Bye. No worries.